This month, a local community is banding together in the fight against cancer, raising money for Friends Together in Alpena. They have until the end of the month to raise $30,000.
In the first 4 days of our campaign, we've reached over $5,000.
Friends Together in Alpena is a resource for many who are fighting against cancer. They offer support groups, lodging and transportation to and from treatment, and a warm environment. For them, no one should have to face cancer alone.
When they walk through our doors, there's a warm embrace of some sort, either physically or just in our welcoming nature, that this is a safe space for you. You're not alone, and we know how to help you navigate your journey.
An anonymous donor has pledged $30,000 for Friends Together, as long as the nonprofit can raise $30,000 to match. They have until the end of October to raise the money, and so far, multiple notable organizations in the community have stepped up to help. One of those is the Alpena Police Department, who is sporting pink patches on their uniforms all month. These patches are also available to the public for purchase at $10 a piece, with all of the proceeds going towards Friends Together.
I feel we need to bring awareness. This is very important. I'm sure each person has been affected by some type of cancer, but we just felt October was one of those bigger months and we wanted to help.
LaFay Pharmacy is also getting in on the opportunity to help out the nonprofit. They have a number of ways people can contribute when they walk in.
As healthcare providers, we definitely see the impact that cancer has on our patients and their families, and we also see what Friends Together do for our community. So as major sponsors, we were happy to help.
With a total of over $5,000 raised so far, Spicer, who also sits on the board for Friends Together, hopes what the pharmacy is promoting will bring them closer to the goal.
We have a Round Up Your Change opportunity at the register. We have a raffle going, which some of the items in our raffle are displayed here, in which you can buy raffle tickets. We will be raffling off at the end of the month. We have memory ribbons, so you can purchase for a donation.
To reach the goal of $30,000, Friends Together encourages the public to contact them or make a stop anywhere they're promoting their Our People Need Your People campaign.
$83,000, but Director Judy Burns told us that number had increased to $194,000 today. The nonprofit organization that serves as a support center for those dealing with cancer says all the money will go towards investing in transportation for getting their patients to and from the facility. Burns said they reach for the stars and their hearts are forever grateful. Now in state news, the village of Stevensville in southwest Michigan has passed a proposal to legalize the sale of recreational marijuana. Down at WSBT, they have more on this story.
Recreational marijuana retailers received the green light from the village of Stevensville.
As a Village of Stevensville resident, business owner, elected official, I'd like to continue to see the village grow and move forward, rather than idle or fall behind other communities or experience infrastructure deteriorate.
A recent evaluation.
Friends Together in Alpena has once again reached their fundraising goal for this month. Originally, an anonymous donor from Alpena offered to match their fundraising efforts if Friends Together was able to raise $30,000 in October. When that amount was reached last week, the donor upped their offer to $50,000. Well, Friends Together and the community have done it again. As of today, they've raised $55,000. No word yet on if the donor will once again raise their offer, but Friends Together will continue to raise money for the month of October. They plan to use a lot of the money on a new van, which they use to transport cancer patients to and from treatment.
Friends Together posted what at first appeared to be the final number of their fundraiser. However, they received even more money after that. They originally thought they had topped out at $183,000, but Director Judy Burns told us that number had increased to $194,000 today. The nonprofit organization that serves as a support center for those dealing with cancer says all the money will go towards investing in transportation for getting their patients to and from the facility. Burns said they reach for the stars and their hearts are forever grateful.